The 1937 Brazilian coup d'état, also known as the Estado Novo coup, was a military coup led by President Getúlio Vargas with the support of the armed forces on 10 November 1937. Vargas had risen to power in 1930 with the backing of the military, following a revolution that ended a decades-old oligarchy. He ruled as provisional president until elections were held for a National Constituent Assembly in 1934. Under a new constitution, Vargas became the constitutional president of Brazil, but following a 1935 communist uprising, speculation grew over a potential self-coup. Candidates for the 1938 presidential elections appeared as early as late 1936. Vargas could not seek re-election, but he and his allies were unwilling to abandon power. Political repression, which had increased after the communist revolt, was being loosened. However, a strong sentiment for a dictatorial government amongst the military, as well as further federal intervention in state governments, would pave the way for a coup to take place. With preparations beginning officially on 18 September 1937, senior military officers used the Cohen Plan, a fraudulent document, to provoke the National Congress into declaring a state of war. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.